Good morning everyone. This is Chandrakala. Today we will start chapter number 12, that is geometry. So before starting this chapter, one exercise is given, that is let's recap exercise. That means whatever we have learned in our previous classes, we have to revise that. So the first question is, name the end points if any in the following. That means in class 4th we have learnt about line and line segment. So here also, in first question, some lines and line segments are given and we have to tell about end points. As the name indicates, end points means the point where that particular line finishes. So as you can see, in A we have two end points, A and B. Similarly, in B we have only one end point, that is A. B is not the end point because after B also the line has been extended. That means the line is continuously moving. Therefore, B is not an end point, only A in the B section is an end point. Likewise, these two sections, two parts of first question you will do by yourself. Second thing, identify the solid figures and draw their top view. Top view, you see the first one given is actually a cube. So cube is in 3D. We know that one cube is made up of squares. So the top view is a square that we have to draw, and we have to tell the name of this figure, that is cube, right? And similarly B, C, D you will do by yourself. C I can help you. This is actually triangular pyramid. Okay, and top portion, either you can draw these three lines or you can draw one full portion. That means this one up to here, then this one, or otherwise this top view you can draw. Then question number 3, a circle could be the bottom view of which of the following solid figures? You know that this is the cube. So here the bottom view is not a circle. It's not circle, it's square shape. Similarly, cuboid also, it is made up of rectangles that we have learned. So that means it's also not have spherical or circular base. But you know cone and cylinder, this is cylinder. So you see its upper portion is like this, so the lower portion will also be like this. However, we are not able to see it here, but still we know that means cylinder is a device or figure whose bottom portion is a circle. Similarly cone also, because actually one second, cone is having a particular shape. For example, you can see like this. This is the cone. So that means its lower portion is also circular. So here we have two answers, that is one is cone and one is circle. Question number 4, draw a line of symmetry if any in the shapes given alongside. This is one star shape given here. We have to draw a line of symmetry. We have learnt that line of symmetry means a line which divides a particular figure into same parts. Same parts means how the left hand side part looks, in the same way right hand side part should look. Or you can say how the upper side part looks, similarly downside part should also look. So we know that this is a star shape and here we can draw many line of symmetry. So with the help of a pencil you have to draw a dotted line of symmetry as much as possible. This is also a line of symmetry, this is also a line of symmetry, likewise. Question number 5, which of these shapes will tessellate? Tessellate means actually such a shape which when we will bring same kind of another shape, and if we can adjust them such that they can join without any gap between them, those shapes are known as tessellate. So here clearly we can see that this is our answer. That means you see here some portions are like this and here we have some space. So when we will put one such shape here, then that will completely fix into this shape without any gap between both the shapes. Draw a line segment of the following length. Here with the help of a scale you have to draw the line segment which you have already learnt in class 4th. First one given is 8 centimeter. So you will take your ruler or scale and you see here you will always start from 0. First of all you will never start from 1. You will always start from 0 and 0 to 8 centimeter. From here you can put a dot with the help of the pencil. Here you can put a dot and then you can join that. That will be the line segment of 8 centimeter. Similarly you can draw for 11 and 4 centimeter.